Hello everybody, so this video is for those of you who are considering buying the TCL C755, which has incredible features all across the board, and I reported an issues, and somebody asked me about the issue to explain it, and basically I can update today that I talked with a technician today. I showed him with a video and pictures and explained everything, and they decided to replace the TV again with the same model but a new one. So again, it's very hard to actually see it when I explain and with an image because it's taken with my camera and there's some other aberrations there that are non-existent, of course. But forget about the sharp line. This is just a difference in color. But if you look to the right of the sharp line, basically it's going to be, you can see kind of a column of dark color, and then it's brighter, and basically it goes kind of dark, bright columns going from the bottom to the top. It's much more prominent when I watch it with my own eyes. And basically this kind of show kind of verticality of different highlight areas that are uneven. So basically, you know, kind of a column that is bright, a column that is dark, bright, dark, and it just covers the entire screen like that. Again, forget the left side with the bloom and everything. This is just because of the camera. This is kind of a lens aberration. It's not related to the issue at all, and it's not existent. This is just a problem because my phone doesn't capture it in the right way. Now here you can see more clearly this is on the PlayStation 5. By the way, it exists both on the PlayStation 5 and outside, just in the regular menu of the TV. But again, it's very prominent here because of the, I think, darker colors. And you can see there on the right side, you can actually see it more clearly, kind of a fine, bright lines going from the bottom to the top. There are several of them. They're actually in the entire screen. But because this was captured with my phone's camera, it's not really clear, but with my eyes, it's very clear. And when I rotate, of course, they don't rotate with the game, and you just see that, you know, this is a problem. I never saw it when I played on my regular gaming monitor. It's something that you see that it's clearly interfering, it's annoying as hell, and I knew this is something wrong. You almost don't notice it at all when you just watch movies because of the complex of the scene, and some things are very bright, so you don't notice it at all. Again, just in this particular game, it was very, very noticeable, and I noticed, well, this is an issue that whatever the reason is supposed to be, it doesn't supposed to be there. Well, unless this is how the TV works, and this, and you know, that's how it is, and this is an issue gonna be with the old TVs, but unlikely. I mean, unlikely, because this is something wrong. I never experienced with TV something like that. So anyway, they decided I shared them all the information, everything that I know, everything that I read. So I actually took a screenshot. This is from technis.com, and basically I saw that somebody shared an image there, and it's actually quite similar to mine. Also from TCL QLED TV, but again, it's from 2021, so it's not the same model here. But again, I see also these, you know, the column with different shades that it looks, you know, it looks odd, it looks off. But that person seems to have a very sharp line in the middle as well, very distinctive. Again, not something graphic. I mean, in terms of, you know, this is just different color and this is just the intersection, the middle of different two colors. This is definitely something off. So again, there's something there. Again, with me, it's not very sharp, but those light columns definitely related to something. Just in my case, it's slightly different. And it's important to keep in mind, the funny thing is that if I put a solid color, and this is something that the technician that came in the first time actually checked, you don't see anything. It's actually so smooth. You don't see any like lines or anything when you just view certain colors. This is something weird that is happening that I really can explain, because what they do is usually just put green, red, blue, and check off different colors and see if there's some kind of lines that actually appear by default. But it seemed that it's not, because they checked it, they checked the green, the blue, and the red, it was actually clear. But when I view, for example, the main screen, or I view in a game, you know, it suddenly appears. So the question is whether it's something common to the TV. Again, it's annoying because in some games, if I play, for example, Dark Souls game or a Soul game, something dark areas, I will notice it, like I noticed in that other game. Although I see it even in the main screen of the TV, but it's not that noticeable, it didn't bother me. Only again when I noticed it in games. So I need to wait and see once I get a TV and see. If it exists, well, probably it's very common, not very common, it's probably for all the displays, but again, maybe it's something common that exists on many displays, I don't know. But if it's gone, well, great, it's gone. Because other than that, TV is insane. It's amazing. But that particular thing, just again, here in the game when I'm playing Stellar Blade, I didn't notice anything. Again, because it's bright and you don't get the attention to watch it. So it really didn't bother me here. But there will be some games that it will, and probably also movies and other things. So hopefully it won't be there, but again, I'll let you know. I'll let you update. Maybe just that's how it is for the TCL C755. Again, I'll know sure very, very soon, and I'm gonna update you. Thanks for watching.